Hi guys, I'm doing a vlog today because it's my boyfriend's birthday. Well, it was his birthday on, I can't even remember, Wednesday. That's so bad. It was his birthday on Wednesday and we're going out for dinner and stuff tonight, so I just thought I'd film myself getting ready and show you guys a bit of what we get up to. So I'm currently still in my pajamas. I'm just about to go upstairs and have a shower and wash my hair and my face and everything like that. So I'll take you guys up with me and show you what my skincare routine at the moment is. This here is my puppy dog Tilly. She's gorgeous. She's so young at the moment. She's only 9 months old, I think. I got her for my birthday last year. And this is Cookie. She's pretty old now though. So I'm in my bathroom now. I just thought I'd quickly show you guys the products that I'm going to be using on my face today. My favourite cleanser is the Dark Angels one by Lush, but I haven't had a chance to pick up any more of it and mine's empty. So the ones I'm just using at the moment is the Olay Deeply Clean, this one. And then the Garnier Gentle Soothing Face Wash, which is this one here. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a shower, wash my hair, all that kind of stuff, and then I will update you guys. So I just had a shower and blow dried my hair and straightened it all, so it's done now. Well, not done, but it's straight at least, kind of. So before I go into doing my makeup, I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I got today. I've been waiting on this parcel for so long. I have another parcel from Kylie Cosmetics on the way and I'm super excited. Obviously, like, I don't get many parcels with makeup and stuff because the only makeup I receive is like the stuff I buy, and I don't really have much money to be buying makeup all the time. So I thought like I could just sometimes do small little vlogs and just show you guys like little tiny miniature like unboxing videos. But anyway, we'll get straight into this. So the first thing I got was the Beauty Killer palette, and this one is absolutely stunning. I'm going to do swatches for all of this stuff on my Instagram page, which is SoJo Beauty _. So if you want to see that, I'll leave the link in the down bar. The next things I got were 3 more of the Holiday Glitter Collection Velour liquid lipsticks. So this one here, oh my god, I don't know how to say this. Poinsettia? I don't know. And then Santa Baby, and then Human Nature. I'm so excited to play with this one, especially because it is beautiful. And then this is super short. Whoops. Anyway, the last thing I got was the lip ammo in Red Rum, which is gorgeous. So yeah, I thought I'd just quickly show you guys that because I know that I like to see what makeup people are buying and stuff. So yeah, so I'll get straight into my makeup now. So I finished my makeup for tonight. I'm not too sure how I feel about it. Like, I've had other looks that I like a lot more, and my eyebrows weren't working today, so this is what we're dealing with. I'm just gonna go do my hair, get my outfit on, and then I will come back to you guys. Okay, so my hair and makeup is all done now. We're just about to drive to dinner, and this is what I'm wearing. I wish this top was longer, but what can you do? So I will tell you guys when we're at dinner. Say hello, Sam.
Hey.
Oh no, hang on. Wait, I'm not ready. We just finished our dinner and now we are going home.
Hey. Can I get makeup on my top, please? Yeah. No, okay.
Okay, I would like my camera back now, Samuel.
Look.
So, we just got back from dinner. It's on the way home. How was your food?
Good, how was yours?
Oh, awesome.
I'm a vampire. Look.
Can I have my camera back now?
You're not going to use that, are you? Oh, I can't believe you got
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sam. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Woo!
Black candles.
19.
well.